Do you ever wonder what happens to your completed reminders in Samsung Calendar? By default, they disappear, but you can choose to keep them visible. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap Settings icon. Now, enable Show Completed Reminders. To see the result, go back to your calendar. As you can see, now the calendar will show completed reminder instead of item, but with a line through them. This is really useful when you want to track your productivity by seeing what you have already finished, keep a record of tasks for future reference, or just make sure nothing important gets lost after you mark it done. And if you prefer a cleaner calendar view, you can always turn the setting off again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.